Best price, best selection, Ripley and Fletcher Ford, South Paris, Maine. Welcome, my name is Lou. This is a 2013 Ford F-350 Super Duty 4x4 regular cab, 8-foot box, 137-inch wheelbase. Under the hood we've got a 6.2 liter V8 engine. The truck is equipped, as you can see, with a Fisher minute mount to 8-foot heavy-duty plow. The truck's got 41,182 miles on it. One owner, clean Carfax, owned locally, serviced here at the dealership, and traded for a 2015. Exactly the same. There's a great shot of the truck. Plenty of tread on that tire, on these tires. Manual locking hubs. Running boards. It is a 250 XL, a little hard to see right there. 250 XL. As I said, this is a Fisher plow minute mount to 8-foot. Plow's in very good shape. Cutting edge is good and sharp. Plow shoes are there. We'll take a shot of the inside here. This truck's got a 373 electronic locking axle. Electronic shift on the fly right there. AM, FM, CD player with MP3 capability. Air conditioning. Upfitter switches. Airbag on-off switch. We've got vinyl seats and vinyl floors. As you can see, the truck is really clean. 41,182 miles. 40-20-40 split fold-down bench seat with a storage compartment right here. Truck does have cruise control, tilt steering wheel. This is a really nice truck. This will get the job done and in time for snow, because we don't have any yet. But we all know it's coming. Very, very clean truck. Very nice truck. A great shot of the driver's side. 8-foot bed. Clean truck. This will get the job done. It is a 4-wheel drive. Let's see a couple of the options. It does have a trailer tow package, cruise control, upfitter switches, roof clearance lights, snowplow prep package. I didn't even see the roof clearance lights. There they are. Engine block heater. 10,000 pound GVWR package. It's a work truck. It's ready to get the job done. Clean work truck. There's your tow package right there. It's a great shot of the passenger side. Give us a call here at Ripley and Fletcher Ford to schedule your test drive in this truck before somebody else buys it. 207-743-8938, or check us out online at www.ripleyandfletcherford.com. (2013) F-250 regular cab, 4-wheel drive, 137-inch wheelbase, 8-foot bed. Ripley and Fletcher Ford, South Paris, Maine. Oxford County's premier dealer since 1909.